Wait. Enemy detected. That machine.
Great. We found a sea weapon. That tourist is a sea spider. One of the Institute's relics left to haunt Rubicon. Now what's it doing here?
Coral smells from the generator. This is no ordinary machine. Be careful, Raven.
That machine was created by a bunch of mad scientists, tourist. The fires of Ibis may have taken the Institute. The dirty work survived.
Taking damage. Keep it up, Raven.
Right-hand ammunition AP at 50%. 2 repair kits remaining. Light shoulder ammunition at 50%. Right-hand ammunition at 30%. AP at 50%. AP at 30%.
Raven, your AC is damaged. Focus on evasive action.
Laser sea weapon. What the? It's taking off.
Another coral response. Watch out.
Now, this could be some good R&D data. Can't wait to get back to the workshop.
Right-hand ammunition at 10%. Left shoulder ammunition at 30. Right shoulder ammunition at 10. AP at 50%.
Taking major damage. You can do this, Raven.
Smash it up, tourist.
No repair kits remaining. Right shoulder ammunition depleted. Right-hand ammunition depleted. AP at 50%. Left shoulder ammunition at 10%. AP at 30%.
Push back, tourist.
Hit just as hard. Stay focused. Enemy systems down. The generator's going to explode. They were using coral for fuel.